Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for?
Hi, I'm Grace. Today we're making snickerdoodle cookies, which are a form of drop cookies. We're going to show you how to put these ingredients together and tell you what they do. First step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, be sure to wash your hands. Front and back. Oh. No. Stop. Okay, so first ingredient is sugar. And sugar is used for flavoring and also for browning. I am measuring 3/4 cup of sugar, and the best way to do that is to level it off using a spatula. Okay, next you put butter into the mixing bowl. Butter is used to tenderize the dough, and sometimes it's already measured up for you on the stick, like so. That's a 1/2 cup. Like butter, shortening is used to tenderize your dough. So to measure it correctly, you pack it in, like so. And then you level it off. And then scoop it out. The ingredient I'm adding is the eggs. Crack into a small bowl that's different from the other ingredients so that you don't get shells into your main mixture. Make sure you throw away the eggshells and then add the egg to the mixture. Eggs are used in the ingredients as an emulsifier, which binds the other ingredients, the liquid ingredients, to the solid ingredients. Mix the sugar, butter, shortening, and eggs in a large bowl. We're using a KitchenAid mixer to do this. Okay, next is the flour. Flour is for the structure. We're supposed to measure out 1 and 2 tablespoons of flour. Put it back into that mixture, where we'll eventually stir it in. Don't forget the 2 tablespoons, else you're not going to have a good structure. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is used in this dough as a leavening agent, which helps the dough rise. Next, you put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Salt is supposed to enhance the flavors in the dough. David is mixing the sugar, the butter, the shortening, the eggs in a large bowl. Then she stirred in the flour, the cream of tartar, the baking soda, and the salt. Okay.
Yay!
We mix together in a bowl 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 cup of sugar. We'll be rolling the dough balls into this mixture. Rolling the dough balls. Okay, stop. All right. Next, we take the dough, we roll it into about 1 1/4 size balls, and then we take the balls and roll them in our cinnamon and sugar mixture, coating the outside of the cookies. We place them on an ungreased cookie sheet for baking. Okay, now you put the pan in the middle rack, center of the oven. Set the timer for 8 to 10 minutes. So
8 to 10 minutes.
Start at 8 minutes.
So we started 8 minutes.
And then check when they're done.
Then we check when we're done.
Once the cookies are finished, take them out of the oven using hot pads. You can see that they're done by the browning on the bottom of the cookies. If it browns too much, then the cookies will be overburnt.
Voila.
Voila!
We are letting the cookies cool a little bit after taking them out of the oven so that they're hard enough to place onto the cooling racks.